everybody, Thomas Vanderkin here, Global Account Manager from Lenovo. Got a really interesting product here. So my customers have been anxiously looking forward to this coming out. It just started shipping, so it's called the Lenovo USB-C Laptop Power Bank 14,000 milliamp hour battery, so mAh. So what this is going to be is a way to actually portably charge your USB-C laptop on the road. So let's pop it open, we'll take a look, we'll talk a little bit about this and see what it does. So, I think with the advent of universal charging for most devices, moving to USB-C, my Moto Z phone uses USB-C, my laptop uses it, a lot of devices are moving to it. It's really going to make products like this become even more useful. So as you travel, this adapter is able to actually charge your laptop from a battery. I don't think I've ever seen that before. I've been in the computer industry for quite a while, but a battery that's powerful enough to charge a laptop on the road. So you keep this in your bag, and you can get 1 or 2 charges for your laptop from this. So it comes with a couple cables. So let's pop it open and see how this will work. It's surprisingly not very heavy for being 14,000 mAh. I thought it was going to be a little bit heavier, but it's not. So it feels good, looks good, typical Lenovo look and feel. It's got some ports on the bottom. So what we're going to have is charging ports, obviously, and then these cables for hooking it up to your PC. So you can plug into USB-C here and USB-C into your laptop to charge that. Or for those of you who still have the old last generation laptop, it'll work for that too. So it's just an adapter from here to plug this into your old like T470, T460, or any of the previous generation laptop products. It's got a little light indicator here. It's a little hard to see, but you can see it's only got 1 light out of 4 lit up, so I'm sure it's 25% charged. A couple additional USB-C slots, so for any of your other devices, you're able to just plug your USB-C to whatever connector you have, whether it be your iPhone or any phone or whatever you're carrying can charge from this also. So it can work pretty interestingly. You just put a laptop down here, so you could easily plug your laptop, set your laptop here, have one plug here charging your laptop, and then have another cable from here charging your phone and charging them all from this one device right from here. So pretty simple product, and all of us have used power banks before, but this is a laptop version from Lenovo, and it matches our industrial design aesthetic, and I thought people would be interested to check it out. So hopefully you think this is interesting. If you want to, it's available everywhere now, so go pick it up and let me know what you think in the comments. Appreciate everybody joining, and we'll talk to you again next time. Thanks everybody. Bye.